Hi, I'm Johnson, a whiteboard and 2D animator. I've created whiteboard animation for explainer videos, brand awarenesses, marketing campaigns, storytelling, music illustrations, and for education purposes. A whiteboard animation is an animation that brings drawing and text to life with movements in a digital canvas. When planning a whiteboard animation, you have to come up with many combinations, from reading and interpreting a script to getting a vector image and doing animatic to finally animating it, which can really be overwhelming. Every creator, business or brand that wants to attract attentions, retain it, and also get the viewers to understand and remember their message for a longer time needs a whiteboard animation. So in this video course, you will learn how to create a whiteboard animation like a professional. And as a final project, we will create a whiteboard animation based on your script or any of your favorite story. I'll start by showing you how to interpret a script for whiteboard animation. Then we'll talk about how to do animatic. You will learn how to create your own vector images from the scratch without relying on buying them ever again from a vector site. Then I'll teach you how to animate professionally on Videoscribe. To do this, we'll create a whiteboard animation from the scratch together so that you will see the entire creative process step by step, and then finally I will teach you how to display your works and get clients. For each of the materials used in this course, I will make them available for you to download and play around with them. And finally, if you have any question, you can post them on the Q&A tab and I will respond as soon as possible, so that by the end of this course you will learn how to create whiteboard animations like a pro. Now click the enroll button and let's get started.